Another one. Hello.
Hello!
We are in
Coffee shop.
we are in another coffee shop here in Ubon, Ratchathani.
What's the name, Ate?
Long Rak.
Cafe.
Long means uncle, Rak means love. So Uncle's Love Cafe.
No, mommy, that's not.
Let's check it out inside. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you there.
Nandito, ang ganda, ang cute-cute na bata. Ayan yung isa. At ang may birthday.
Yay, let's go.
Hmm? Oh, wow. Andun ang mga bata. Layo na. Yung, binahin pa. Oo, sa ganda ng may birthday na yan eh. Oh. Ganda oh. Forest na forest ah. Yan. Vintage.
Vintage school bus. Go! Faye! Faye! Wow! There you go, our bus driver.
And we have so many beautiful seats.
Really?
There's a table.
Oh, so we can sit down here for a coffee. Isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
I will drive.
And you're gonna drive.
Because they already have.
What is this? Oh, they have a fan here. Okay. Hi. Wanna ride my bus? Ticket.
No way. You can actually sit here, Mom. Yeah. I will close the door.
Uh-oh, you broke it.
Never mind. It's already messed. I thought that's how you control it. I always see other persons drive.
Uh-huh. There you go. Here's another one, vintage car. Yeah. And this is our vintage girl. Eh. Let's go and have some coffee, Con.
I want to go on the pirate ship.
Pirate ship.
Pirate ship, right?
Yeah, later. Let's order first. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Menu. What do we have?
ถ้าไปดูกาแฟอยู่ด้านนึงนะครับลูกค้า
What is this? A hand. And who is on the hand? I cannot see. There. There's someone there. Okay. Ate. Ayun, nasa taas ng isang kamay. Old. Ang aming birthday girl, siya ang maniniyot. Oh, kamay. Oh, hello. Lapit mo pa. Yeah. Why? Stand up. May dahil ah. Wow. Book table. And you are sitting on the books too. Wow. Wow. Si ate nasa book. Look at their table, oh. Wow. Can you read one, ate? The book is too big. Can you open? Only on the cover. Only the cover. How's your experience on the top of?
Kind of scary, but it was cool, like a flyer. But it's like someone's holding me, like no reason. It's like I'm here and then it's
And you're too small.
yeah.
Yeah, too small.
Faye, are you taking photo or video?
Video. First, I'm going to show you this. You can go up there, but I'm kind of scared to do it. Well, second, want to tell you, this hand is truly big. Very. There, and that's the playground right there. Let me zoom in. There and there. Ooh. That's the playground, right? Nice. Yeah. Yeah. And the buffaloes right there.
Those are cows.
I call them buffaloes. There. There. And there's one white one right there. Right there. Can you see it? Right there. And then we have a lot of things. I got a lot of things to show you. There's a school bus right there. And a car right there. And then they have so many things. And you can just sit there and relax. This is our coffee shop we're going to stop in, and it's very nice. Ate really likes the school bus, but you know what I love the most? I love everything. And now, I gotta say goodbye because Mommy's phone is low bat. Bye!
Look at the dalawa, oh. Nandun, oh, laki ng ano, big ship.
Nice.
There, oh.
I want to see it.
Yan, oh, yan. What is that, ate?
That's a ship.
What kind of ship is that? Do you know?
Brown ship.
The brown ship.
It's a real soup.
It's a real ship.
What if they look like real cars but just broke down? Can I see the
That is the coffee shop. Look how old is the building. Oh. Ayan, oh, ready now. Where are you sitting? On the bus, school bus.
Hey, you ready to go to school? Okay, excuse me now. And then Shakira will jump out of it. Sit down.
Ready to go back to school? Ready na yan, oh. Hey. Yan. It came. The pizza toast. Gutom na, oh.
See, look, she's put still. Mommy, she's very still because she's still. Go and take a photo.
Hi. So, ito ang aming toast. Ayan.
Kakain si Daddy natin. Susubukan kumain.
Let's see.
Ano yung taste nito? Wow. Itong binayaran dito yung mozzarella.
How is it?
Nga.
Lahat naman masarap.
May pinapay na may tomato sauce.
Na may cheese. Ayan.
Huh?
Hi, Faye. You're there again. Very nice. Instagrammable things here.
May ano to, bicycle or motor? Your motor, another building, then may car doon. Morris Kupa. Ano ito? Wow, Pepe. Oh, pink. We're riding.
I will drive.
Yes. Our mini driver.
Let's do that.
Hello, driver.
Hey.
And then the other one driving a motorcycle. Hello, madam.